Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy meme coins, Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So here I am on my Phantom Wallet, and first if you want to buy meme coins of Solana, you need to have some Solana itself. So you can go ahead and click on Solana itself, and you can click receive. After that you will see the address here, which you need to go ahead and copy. And with that copied address, you want to go to another exchange, for example, like Binance, and you want to go ahead and click on your wallet and click withdraw, then click withdraw again and choose Solana, send via crypto network, enter the address you just copied, select the network Solana, withdraw amount, and that's basically it. After that, your Solana will be on your Phantom wallet. Another way would be to just buy it. So you can go ahead and buy Solana here at Phantom wallet. Just click buy Solana, enter the amount, click next. And here are some payment methods like MoonPay, where you can pay by card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer, and also some Coinbase. After you will have some Solana, you want to click swap in the middle, choose a token which you want to go ahead swap to and buy basically. After it will load up, you choose a coin, so for example dog with hat, and now let's choose Solana. That's how much we want to go ahead and buy, and that's how much dog with basically you will get. And then you're just gonna complete your purchase. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.